I wasn't planning on using a hot glue gun today, but the brand sent me over this hot glue gun to try out, and it's kind of perfect because I have a project that I need a hot glue gun for. Here's the packaging that it comes in. Whenever you first open it up, here's the hot glue gun itself. I like the rubber grip handle. It comes with the cooling plate for you to set the hot glue gun on. Here's some instructions, and then here are the hot glue sticks as well that they included. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right, and the instructions say to let the hot glue gun heat up for 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm just going to place this glue stick in and push it through, and then go ahead and plug it in. Okay, here's the cord. The cord is about 5 feet long, which is a good length. There's 2 different heat settings. One is high heat, mine is on high heat, and then there's a lower heat setting too. The light turns on whenever it's plugged in. You just put the hot glue stick in here. It has a grippy handle that feels nice and smooth. It's easy to hold. It has this little metal clip right here that you can pop out and set your hot glue gun down, or I just have mine down flat like this. So this has been heating up for a few minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So I have this water fountain set, and it included rocks, but whenever the water flows over the rocks, I don't want the rocks to move. So I'm gonna hot glue these down onto this metal frame right here. So holding it, I don't feel any of the heat. Whenever I press right here, it is warm to the touch. Obviously I'm not gonna touch the part that is metal right here. The hot glue comes out of this area, so I'm not gonna touch it. But whenever I touch this part, it does feel warm, and I'm not going to just leave my hand on there because it does get hot, but definitely on the part that I'm holding, I don't feel any of the heat. I'm just going to try this out. So I'm just going to put a little squirt of hot glue. I don't think I have the hot glue far enough in, so I'm gonna press it a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So I just didn't have the hot glue far enough in. So if that happens to you, just press the hot glue stick a little further in. So here's my hot glue. I'm just gonna put my rock on there and press it down. So it seems like it's really easy to use. There's not much to it. You just plug it in and put a glue stick in, and that's pretty much it. The glue seems like it's a good quality. I like that they include this little mat so you can rest your hot glue gun on something whenever you're not using it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this project, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end and let you know my thoughts on the hot glue gun. Okay, so here's the final product after gluing on all of my rocks onto this water fountain. There are some strings of glue which I can easily just take off. The hot glue gun was really easy to use. I love this mat that they included. That made it super easy. While I was gluing, I could just dot and then set it down, dot, set it down, and not have hot glue spilling out on my table. So that was a really nice feature. And yeah, it felt really comfortable to hold, and it works well. I love that they include the glue sticks for you too. And overall, that was a really simple setup process, easy to use, and it works great.